Mary, Mary, quite contrary. Did you know that this nursery rhyme is linked to both Mary Queen of Scots and Bloody Mary? One version says that the silver bells and cockle shells were gifts from Mary's first husband, while the pretty maids all in a row were her ladies in waiting. The other version suggests it refers to Mary I and her brutal reign, with the silver bells and cockle shells being instruments of torture. So which Mary is it? Mary, Mary, quite contrary, how does your garden grow? With silver bells and cockle shells and pretty maids all in a row. Tell us in the comments.